welcome back to my channel. So today we're sharing with you guys how to make some lovely Bora stew. All my new subscribers, I want to welcome you to my channel, and all the old subscribers, welcome back. So let's start the cooking. These are the ingredients for the Bora stew. I have Eddoes and potato, tomato paste, black pepper, Maggi cube, fresh tomato, onion and garlic, paprika, Chinese sauce, salt, coconut milk, and of course the Bora. Okay guys, so I already started steaming up the chicken, so now it's frying. So while this is frying, I'm gonna add my potato and Eddoes, onion and garlic, then you're gonna add your tomato paste and your Chinese sauce and leave it for a minute to fry. Okay guys, so after a minute you're gonna add your Maggi cube, paprika, black pepper, and some salt, and then after which you're gonna leave it to fry for another 2 minutes, and then you're gonna add your Bora and leave it for 15 minutes to fry. Guys, so 15 minutes has passed since my Bora has been frying, so I'm gonna do a quick turn. As you can see, it's coming together. So you're gonna add your coconut milk, you're gonna add your hot water enough to cover your Bora, and then you're gonna leave it for 45 minutes to cook. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay guys, so 45 minutes has passed and this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna add some shredded carrot and leave it for another 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. And there you have it, guys, the finished product of the Bora stew. Guys, please do have a safe and blessed day.